lot of times on structural steel or in things like wash bays, we'll see a lot of salt staining near the ground where they're doing a lot of wash downs. And typically that's because you get this kind of wet, dry cycling effect that builds up salt concentrations. So even if the quality of the water is relatively clean, you can over time end up with high concentrations of salt built up on the surfaces. And that can lead to localized corrosion and a number of different issues.
Yeah, there are sometimes also you can see some cracks nearby to welding in a pipeline, mostly a stainless steel pipeline. And also you can transport that into mobile. You see some cracks in shower bulldozer or truck or even a drill. Sometimes those cracks are related to fatigue corrosion or maybe cycling temperature changing, or maybe the welding itself that has been changed, the microstructure of the material. So those are signs of corrosion that you need to keep in mind.
Yeah. Great. Yeah, similarly, I think for tanks and pipings, a common sign you're looking for is always rust staining. But other than that, for example, you may see bubbling paint, which means the underneath you might have a small leak or hose penetrating through, and it's the paint holding your liquid or your solution inside. So that's also a sign. And also looking for the seams. When you see some moisture, when you see some weeping or some liquid coming out, there might be corrosion underneath as well. Yeah.